Okay, we should be back now. This is another fresh install of Windows, so everything's not set up properly. I still haven't finished setting stuff up, so as you can see, the title's all jimbled because I've literally just tried to add a placeholder type thing. It's just a boring one of these, but you know how it is. I've got so many things, but I'm waiting for parts. I've just got another board dropped off. Hope you guys are well, by the way. Anthony, hello. No picture? What do you mean no picture? I know you're joking. I can see picture. I got dropped off this board. He said it's for a jet machine. No idea what that is. He said the solder joints look a bit weak, but I've looked under the scope and they're okay. I'm just going around doing continuity tests to make sure all the traces go into the right areas. And I've checked the fuses. They're fine. They're just spare fuses, so they're not connected. And that's all I could do. I checked the diodes. All the diodes are fine already. I don't know how to check these. I'm guessing they're relays or something. 12 volt DC. So if I maybe put 12 volts into them, it'll click. I think they're relays. R3, R2, R1, RB, maybe relays. I don't know. It's relay easy. Yeah, I thought they were relays. Well, how do you test them? Just put a bit of voltage into them and hear them click. R2D2, yeah, you've got an R2D2 there somewhere. You've got a WVR. But yeah, I'm in the middle of doing that, but I've just had this come to the door, so this is going to be easier, so I just thought I'd do this quick. Hello, Sai. Ace has been banned already. Exclamation mark Discord, does that work? Because I'm going to have to probably start adding that in every few minutes for it to pop up. Just to cover noise, just to cover. Yeah. Really? Yeah, sorry Ace. I don't know what's going on at Alti. I don't know why they're doing that. Yeah, it does work. Alright, thank you. Don't know why it come up twice though. It's a bit weird. He's going to stop watching me if you guys keep doing that. Look at this. He did warn me, it's a bit dusty. Don't know if this is the worst one yet. Making up for lost time. Oh, I'm going to have to clean this. Let me quickly wipe it down first and I'll give it a test because this dust is going to blow everywhere. So, yeah. We start off with this because it looks looser. Jeez, I know. Hold on. I've got another Series S coming in tomorrow, which is quite nice. It's a lady, she's got an autistic son, broke all 3 USB ports. So I've literally just salvaged some off of one of my spare boards. And yeah, so that'll be a nice different repair. But it's a bit weird that all 3 ports are damaged, but it's an autistic child, so kind of makes sense. Swindon Electrical Repairs stopped whipping at the altar of Paul then. What? Is he still streaming? Whoops. I was just talking to Paul. Oh, sorry. Is he going to send you one, Ace? Right, that's most of the dust gone for now. All bad things about Andy. No, it's not. J-Tan. Hello. I was watching your stream last night, but not able to finish it. Are you able to fix the Xbox? I don't know much about fixing, but it's mesmerizing. Not currently. I am getting like a diagnostic tool, but for you guys that do know quite a bit about Xboxes, right, I believe it's either APU or RAM. Just quickly, 90 USD with Express Post. Oh, is he charging $90? That's cool. At least you're paying for it. So with this Xbox quick, I am zoomed out a bit, so just bear with me on that. Ohms. Obviously, this is the issue where the short is, but the RAM's also short. See on that side and on the other side. So either the APU's probably fried and killed, well, making the RAM short as well. Every single RAM module short. I'm guessing that these go to the RAM. This one only has one there. This one's okay actually. Yeah, that's in kilo ohms. But all three of these are gone. I think these little caps down here are okay. Or is that short as well on both sides? Yeah, that's short on both sides as well. So I believe it's probably APU and it's just took everything out with it, like the RAM as well. That's short there. That's short there as well. I think it's a goner, but we'll see what the Pico says. Early bird, yes, just Pico it. I'm waiting for it, Ace. It's gonna say, oh yeah, it's what's it gonna say? It's gonna say, wait, what was it gonna say? Whatever line that is, I can't remember because it's not printed. Scoffy. It's gonna say there's something wrong with that line. Check RAM modules, so it's not really gonna help me at all. I reckon. I don't know, but yeah, I'm not binning it. Yeah, hello Jayton, by the way, mate. Nice to see you in here, and I'm glad you find it mesmerising. Wait, before I take that off, I've got a test. Wow, look at that, it's not even staying in there. That's mental. That's so loose. But I've got to test it. Hello, Philippines. Oh, from the Philippines. Holy crap. Yeah, hello, Dreams. Hello, Gabriel. Spec 360. What's up, bro? Pico, yeah. Do you have a Raspberry Pi Pico? Or Pico? Yo, and Aliu. Jeez, you're all here today. Right, I'm in a white light. Don't know if you could really see that. You can. Yeah, we've got white light. Oh my god, this port is unbelievable. Yeah, there's nothing. Nothing at all. Which I knew that was going to happen. Whoops, sorry, hit the mic. Is the mic volume okay, or do I need to turn it up, limit it, or something? I don't know. It seems like the level's okay. It's not going into the red, but I don't know if you want me to turn. Do you want me to turn you up? Up. You want me to turn the mic up a bit? All good. And you still happy with your new arm? Yeah, it's good. Slightly. Turn it up slightly. Okay, let's give that a go. I'm going to have to add a gain on it then to turn it up. So I'll turn the gain up and then put a limiter on it as well so it doesn't blow everyone's ears off with the horrible distortion. Let me try that then. Too much. Too much? What do you mean? There's too much noise? Right click, properties. No, I want the filters. Right click, filters, add filter. Got to go for a bit of gain. Right, here we go. I'm gonna add it up to probably there. That limiter needs to go on. Yeah, that's way too loud. Let me change the limiter down a bit. Put it to minus. No, that's too much still. There you go. That's a nice limiter just there. No, that's too high. Sorry guys, blowing your ears off. There you go, perfect. That's just on the edge of the yellow and it's not going in. Testing! Is that good? That was as loud as I could go. We good there? It's not going to go any louder than that. Sounds good, testing sounds. Okay, that'll do then. Anyways, after sounding like a fool, let me get into it. Perfecto. Good. Fumey. Yeah. That's the point. That depends how loud this... Yeah, let me know what this sounds like, because I've not tried it yet. If it's going to be too loud. So I need to start using this again. I've stopped using it. Oh, that is quite loud though, but it is limited. Is that going to be annoying? Is that going to be quite annoying? It is pretty loud. Hurricane. Yeah, if that is too loud, I will keep turning down my mic each time. It's like a jet engine. It is. Oh my goodness. What the fudge? This poor PS5. Oh, Jesus Christ. What? It was like with the wind up north. Yeah, it's quite windy today here. Oh no, it's all going in. I think this is probably like the most dustiest one I've had so far. But dry skin, probably. Oh my days. Can you see Anthony? I can see Anthony, yeah. Is Ace here? Yes, you both can communicate with each other. I see what you're doing there. Oh, no, don't say that. That's horrible with that dry skin. To run consoles. You need more amp MK to run consoles. What do you mean by that? Oh, you said you got a bench power supply. A 30 volt 12 amp with output button. Wait, what did you say before that? Oh, I missed it. Stop talking, everyone. Oh well, hey babes. Hi Tracy. Panties. You don't need 12 amps. What are you on about? Oh yeah, if you want to run a PS5, I guess. But you don't need 12 amps. What style are you going for? A little bench one or one of those fancy ones? You can't say hey babes, Anthony. She's mine. Her name's not babes to you. 30 amps to run a PS5. Yeah, I know they're high. Christ, mine only goes up to 5.2 amps. It's only a little benchy. No ring up for grabs. Whatever. She has got a ring, but she broke it. It's on my YouTube channel, MK to build. Alty, isn't it your bedtime yet? Go to bed. Alty, there's not much love for the LT. I pray that I'm back in one piece. I pray. Now that I need a one dance. Oh my god, I'm not looking forward to this. Need a new one? Yeah, you do, babes. Tracy. I'm talking to the wifey, shut up. Guys, stop it. No more, no rings. She's had enough. Oh my god, this is absolutely like a blemmin' desert. Nuts. All in there is just, oh my god. I'm gonna do it as I go along, so it saves me having to do it when I build it back up. Stop encouraging her. That'll do for the fan. Oh, what am I missed? A new Babes? Yeah, that sounds good. Tracy has standards. Ill. Get a new Andy Tracy. You assholes. Stop it. Andy, give it a gentle blow. Yeah, I do. Do you know why Norwegian warships have barcodes? Oh, warships have barcodes, so you can Scandinavian. What are you like, MK? Oh, this needs to come off. He sniffed it. Yeah. That's why I got dust up my nose. $150 runs at every console in the world. Okay, pretty clean in there, which is shocking. Hello, Charles. Please confirm, Andy. I don't know, MK, to be fair. If that's what you're on about, the power supply. To be honest, are you ever going to work on PS5s? That's the only thing that's power hungry. Like, I could run a Series S off of my bench power supply. Oh my god, it's never ending. Holy cow. Let's get rid of that. Nobody cares about that. It's just everywhere. No disk drive. Good. One less thing for me to bloody try and clean. When the PS10 comes out, probably. Yeah, exactly, yeah. Laptops, yeah, they can be power hungry. Depends if it's a gaming laptop anyway. Where's my IPA? Oh, down here. Dry dust, yeah, it is very nice and dry and clean. It is clean dust as well, which is pretty nice. Oh no, this one's not coming up. Come on. Don't rip. Be a good boy. Yay. Sort of. Don't know if that's going to stick back down. Alright, back to the grind. Yes, MK and ATX PSU converted. Is that what you done? Can you do that? Oh yeah, it's got the wattage, isn't it? Like 850 watts. Didn't know that was a thing. Charles Mott, Mad Cows. What you saying? Hot Cows even. Not that I'm using it yet, but HDMI breakout board has arrived. I have ordered mine, I think, or it's in the basket. Because I'm still waiting for other stuff to be added into my AliExpress before I make an order. So I could get that free shipping. I don't know if I did order it or not. I think I did order it. Did I order it? Do you know what? I've had 4 phone calls today already. Anything luck? What's anything luck? Ah, it's for that stupid diagnostic tool. I know they're desperate for their diagnostic machine. Tea time. Any luck? Yeah, I'm waiting for a port for a diagnostic machine. And he didn't... They contacted me and they said, well, am I able to do it? I said, yeah, I could do it. And then literally that day he dropped it off. I had a quick look at it. I was like, oh, okay, I'll look at that tomorrow. And then the next day they messaged me saying, oh, is it ready yet? I'm like, hang on. I said, I've not even had the time to look at it properly yet. I need to order a new port because it's not just like a normal USB 3.0 port. And now he's like, I'm really desperate for it, mate. I said, well, you can have to take it somewhere else if you need it like done quicker. I said, it's not like sort of like thing you could have on your shelf ready. It's like a special longer USB 3 port. And I said, I'll order it now if you want me to carry on. He was like, yeah, please. So I ordered it. And now he keeps bugging me. I understand, but I'll let you know when it's done. Hopefully it does arrive today. It's for a car replaced. Do you not keep them? Are you joking, Ace? What do you mean? I've already taken off the port, ready. Let's have a look. So this is the diagnostic board, and this port is basically damaged. I have already took it off, ready to replace. And it's like a longer USB 3. So I've had to order them. There is another one on the back. It's not as long as the Series S ports. Yeah, that's too long, and the legs are all in the wrong positions. But I've taken that off ready to just drop a new one on. And refund me for the port and take it somewhere else. Yeah, I mean the ports were like 10 for £5, so, and I got it from eBay, so we didn't have to wait. But you keep saying I'm desperate for it. I know, I can't help that. I can't speed up the process anymore. I said to him, if you need it done quicker, you'll have to take it somewhere else. I've given him the tracking number for it because it's being shipped by Yodel. Why, I don't know. It would have been easy if it was just Royal Mail. He's a shed, not a shop. Yeah, I'm in a shed, not a shop. I don't have stuff in stock. Don't worry, when I move back in with the missus' house, I'm going to order a massive shed in the back garden. I'm going to have plenty of room. Currently saving up my monies to go down that route. Should have a TV dropping off today. They couldn't make it yesterday. Right, I'm missing a screw. I always miss a screw. This is only supposed to be a temporary solution. Hello, Amitri. Good morning. One, two. Wow, I haven't done one of these ones in ages. First thing, get this stupid sticker off. I'm actually going to save this one. I don't usually. Yeah, I've just checked as well. Isn't even out for delivery. Well, mate, there's nothing I could do about it. I reckon there's going to be a huge dry spot on this one. Massive. Wow. There you go. Dry spot. Yeah, look at that. Holy crap. Same with on there. That's nuts. I don't think he plays it long enough for it to overheat. But still. Usually consoles that's this dirty, dusty, you never know. Well. Okay, let's look under the scope on this. What's going on, man? How's it going, chat? It's alright, things are alright. Nothing to really talk about. Nothing exciting. Right, is my microscope set up? Oh no, I haven't set up my quick buttons. I'm gonna have to manually select it. Okay. Okay. Well, now what's happened? Why has it changed? Weird. Right, let's have a look. Port is around here somewhere. There it is. So that's too bright, isn't it, for you guys? Let me turn that down a bit. There you go. So, how many loose pins? That's okay. It's okay. Okay. Slightly loose. Okay. Oh, that's gone. Okay. 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 Oh, that's gone. That's gone. 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 She's like the wind. I have no idea why, but I'm really having problems keeping you in live sync. I've not dropped any frames. I'm only running 10,000 kilobits per second. Do you keep ports in stock, Andy? What, HDMI ports? Yeah, they're so cheap. You buy like 50 for like £13 now for PS5s. But not... I don't keep USB ports in stock, no. $10K is so overkill. It's not, Ace. I went up to 50 before. That's what YouTube recommended. I mean, OBS recommended. Let's get my silver line solder sucker out. Just clearing it out before I start sucking. A little touching up. Is that all it needs? Just a little touching up, yeah? Just put on 1.5 playback. That's true. Yeah, probably. It doesn't matter, Ace. I get 900 up, 900 down, so it's not an issue for me. That is what she said. $440 degrees at 70% airflow. My microscope's in the way of sucking that out. Sorry, 2 seconds. Okay, there you go. $500, 100 works better. Diode almost left the chat. Nah, that's fine. It did a little bit. Almost. Out for delivery. Ooh, the hard drive's out for delivery. Lifted pads? Nah, they're all gravy. Beautiful glare, right? Absolutely beautiful. We'll quickly sort out that diode, although I could do it when I put the port on, but... Whoops, diode's gone now. Now diode's left the chat. Now, now the diode. Where did it go? God damn it. That Atom's too good now. Yeah, it is a really good. I actually like it now. I don't love it yet, but I like it. Pucker. Check cotton swab. Yeah, I looked at that. I couldn't see it. I think it pinged off like on my leg sort of thing. Yeah, there's nothing on there. That's just a speck of. Oh wow. It'll work without it. It won't. Oh, I need to get a PS5 board. Alright, we quickly take off a diode. That one's missing. That's annoying. Yep, there's one on this board. Right. There it isn't. I didn't see Soren's one. What did he do? He murdered a port. Oh. Okay, let me get a port now. I am going to tin it. Nah, he did a good job on the port, just did not replace the cap, but that's just soaring. Yeah. I've had to do that once before I had spare boards, but no harm in it as such. Did it all from the top. Wow, he's risking it. Here we go, 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 go. So much easier to get the nozzle off with that bendy one. Hello, Andrew. Sup, brother? Anastasia wants to know when you're getting her. Oh, yeah. I honestly don't know at the minute. Okay, so you have to get my uniform shortly. Yeah, no worries. I'd say around 4. That's one thing I have noticed about this Atten. Where the heat spread is so nice, it all just flows into place so easily. Yeah, they're solid. My bin's getting really full up. Tracy, going to war? What do you mean? Oh, going to get a uniform. Got ya. Let's have a look on the other side. Actually, let's inspect the pins first. Yeah, that looks good. Turn up the brightness. Yeah, they look good. Nice and flat to the board. And on the other side. Damn it. The other side looks pretty good too. That's not bad, is it? Does need a little touch up, but that's about it. Because one of the balls are slightly bigger. But that's normal. No, I'm looking forward to it. Live people. What? Live people. Oh, nursing. Oh. We are alive. I know, I thought it said live. Iron needs to be hotter. Needs to be hotter. Oh my god. How hot does my iron need to be? I waited for it to cool down too much. This is when I wish I had my bigger iron. It was easier to touch it up with that. Alright, bit of hot air. That would do. Awesome. I think that's good enough. Hold on, I've just got to wake my controller up because I can't change scenes. Manual. There you go. Okay. Have a look at the port inside. Looks good. Looks level. Yeah. Happy days. Anyway, let's give it a test. Where did the bass go? Sean's here. Simon, hello Si. Hey Sean. Is that the door again?
Yeah.
Might be. 2 seconds. I didn't hear the door go.
No, no. For the front room, Andy. Right? Oh, I thought you had the dog get bell. Sorry, Andy.
Jesus. No one at the door. It's a false alarm. I've got lied to. Yo, Marius. Marius? Is that Marius? What's up? Which Marius is this? Huh. Anyways, with the dry spot going on, let's give it a quick test for display. Wait, what's going on there then? Why is that not sitting down? Never had that before. What? That's better. Don't know why that didn't sit down. Not everyone could feel. Who's going? Sai, bye Sai. J-Tan Woof, yeah. She gets excited over me, I don't know why. Everywhere I go. Oh, 2 seconds, got a phone call. La 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 la. I don't want copyright. Hello, Swin Electronic Repairs. Oh yeah, hiya buddy, you alright? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, of course, yeah, no worries. Yeah. What size is it again? Oh yeah, that's absolutely fine then, yeah. No. Gotcha, yeah, that's absolutely no worries, buddy. Alright, thank you, bye. No worries, bye. Right. I know this is going to work, so I don't know why I'm even testing it. Put the ribbon in as well so I don't get all panicky. Bye Tracy. Alright, I love you forever and always. I wonder if she waited for me to respond. Right. If you get a sound on TV, you know it works. Don't know if you guys heard that, but yeah, we get a display. Yep, fixed. It's so easy. Oh, I didn't do the wiggle test though. Quick, do it while it's shutting down. Quick, quick, quick. I mean, it's really hard. I'm just going to tug. Quick, get a display, get a display. Too late. There's no display. I did. Oh, you did. Good. Thank you. For how long? Rusty Russ Repairs. Sup, bruh? Did you sort out your brother's switch in the end? Right, wiggle test failed. For a split second. It's alright now. I think it might have been a bit of flux on the connect. Oh, it cut off a bit then as well. Yeah, it's a bit sticky. Damn it. The port itself's fine. I looked inside there, it's dry as a bone. Right, let's try it now. Oh, how did it log in? I haven't even got a controller attached. That's weird. Yeah, working fine. That's so weird. How did it log itself in? Oh well. At RRR. Why that? I don't understand. But now your HDMI port won't fit in tight spaces like before. It should be hard if you tug it. Yeah, that's MK for ya. You shouldn't have said it on stream, the dirty man. I mean, it's really hard. I'm just going to tug. Why did I plug that back in? Chatting to you guys. But he tells us it's small, Tracy. So did you. I heard you say it as well, Ace. You've been clipped saying it too. At least I'm not the only one with a small penis. Thanks, Simon. Doing your thing. I haven't seen Falcon in ages. Or Carthor. Are they here? Probably lurking. I have no filter. Falcon, that is expert lurkers. Yeah, if they are here. Oh, I know this is gonna tear. No, we're good. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. There it is. Nope. I say it as it is and does get me into trouble. Sometimes. Oh my god. Hello. Okay. Crazy. I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I might have to out of my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Might be cool again? What I miss? Any dry skins? Lots of dry skins. Probably about 2 years worth of dry skins in that. Oh, I have got somebody dropping some off and I'm going to have to help them because it's too big for her. So when the door does go, I'm going to have to shoot for about, I want to say like 4 minutes tops. Might even be quicker. What's my female side? I think Andy wins. What? Andy or Ace singing? Hey! I'm glad, thank you. He sounds much better than me. I love singing. Makes you feel good, although I'm crap at it. Hello, Paul. Paul Daniels. Hello, mate. How are you? Oh no, I've got to act all serious now. Nah, not really. We didn't say you were good at singing, Andy, just that you're better than Ace, which does not take much. Well, I'll still take that. I will take that. Yeah, you could just call me PLD. Seems to work. Okay, cool. The name compared to the old days is being called Jack all the time. Why Jack? Jack Daniels. Right, yeah. Makes sense. Alright, PLD, thank you. Shut up, Squishy. Why am I repeating what everyone says when they're not even talking to me? I don't know. PLD, PLD. He thinks we can't read, Paul, so he reads it for us. No, it's not that. Like I said before, it's when people watch back the live stream and instead of having to read chat and know what I'm responding to, they'll know what I'm responding to because I read it out instead. Not because nobody can read. Not that at all. Ooh, there's a lot of liquid metal on this side. That means there's going to be barely anything on the other side. Did someone say JD? No. Ace, go to bed. Isn't it your bedtime now? I can't read, so I do appreciate it. So I repeat. Neither can I. I can't read. I'm making so many mistakes. Got bloody Series S thermal putty on there. There's hardly any liquid metal on here. What? Oh well, at least it's easy to clean. How's that going to spread? That's not going to be able to spread. Oh, actually, it might be enough. Hello, Tom. Hi. Yeah, not me. Stopped my plonker days back in 2000s when I got back from Africa. Got a drink when you live over there. Oh, fair play. Perfect. Where's the locating thing? There it is. PLD. Hello. I've not seen that been written before. Hello. Hello, Dipsy. Yes, SER with an E. Yes, sir, with an E. like that. Would be nice if Sony just went back designing things that don't need to be liquid metal. I know, I'm just thinking how the hell are they going to get away with the PS6? Because if it's already this heat intensive with the PS5 and needs liquid metal at this stage, it's going to be more powerful for the PS6, so their cooling system's got to be good. Or will they go back to thermal paste? Find a way to make it less energy efficient. I mean more energy efficient? I have no idea. But yeah, I agree with that. Hello, Gina. Supposed to cut my hair last night, I forgot. Arthur. Oh, forgot. Alright, bye Ace. Bye LT. Thank you, buddy. Have a shit night's sleep. Hope you have nightmares. Sweet nightmares. Let the bed bugs bite. Good night, mate. Goodbye. Try not to have any dreams. Such love. Oh yeah. Soft kitty, warm kitty, purr, purr, purr. I don't know the rest of it. Prick. Love your Ace. Night. Yeah. Is that in Brisbane though? I think Ace is in Brisbane. I don't know about PLD. Where are you, PLD again? Sydney. I can't remember where you said you were. Ah, QLD, yeah. Nice. (7:28 p.m. here on my side of Australia. That's mental, innit? Same country, yet different time zones. Why did it have to be so awkward? Well, obviously because it's... Yeah, I know what I mean. They should split the country up into two. New Australia, Old Australia. Been told there's a retired electronics lecturer charging £10 plus parts for repairs just to keep his hand in. Lol, sounds like he is hammering the local repair guy. Ooh, really? Whereabouts is that, Bill? In what part of the UK? That's really cheap. But fair play. I know he's retired and he just wants to keep his hand in it, but 9:30 here in the States, about to head to bed shortly. Oh, 7:20, sorry, in the States. Have a good day. Thank you, Chris, mate. You too, buddy. Hope you sleep well. Why are you guys laughing? Big with nothing in the middle. Big with nothing in the middle. What? Oh yeah, that is true. Falcon is from Cornwall. Damn. How did you find that out? Yo, Soda Bridge. It's that blimmin' customer again. Damn it, I'm one screw short. Where am I missing that? I think it's this one, isn't it? Nope, down here. Damn it. There you go. Good, good, good. Cool. Now it's just the base. Yes, heard lots. I've been there since the 90s. Oh. A lot of screws. I know, Jayton. There's way too many. I can't remember how many there are in total on a PS5. Just got to brush this down. All up my nose. Almost as bad as an iPhone 4S. Damn. I think that's the only iPhone I ever owned, and that was the only phone I've ever owned. And would never go back again. What annoyed me the most about it, yeah, the size was great at the time. What annoyed me is whenever you had to download something from the Apple Store, whatever it's called back then, you always had to keep typing in your password. I know obviously you've got Touch ID and all that now, but still that's so unnecessary. Don't know if you still have to keep using Apple ID or Touch ID, whatever it's called, just to bloody download something for free. Is that still the same thing? Same case? 42, I believe, depends on the revision. There's me saying I wanted to put this thing back on under the HDMI port, and I still didn't. Still the same. Still have to type it in. Damn. No, that's just so annoying. Especially when you first set it up and it's like, right, I need to download this. And then you come out of it and you go back in again. It's like, oh, enter this password. I'm like, go away. I'm not a fan of Apple at all. I'm not a fan of Samsung. I don't know why everyone goes for Samsung devices. Are they actually the best? I haven't had a Samsung since the Galaxy S5. I've always gone for like Nexus, Google phones, Pixels. Now I've gone to nothing. Nothing is best, yeah, exactly. I have a hard time counting that high. I run out of fingers and toes. Did I scroll down? Oh, I did. I always had Samsungs. Yeah, you should try and venture on something different. Venture to something different. I've always had Samsungs as well. Oh. Stop retracting your messages, Si. Naughty. Right, this is number 598031. That's how many consoles I've repaired. No! What was that? There we go. Holographic systematic. I've not had any issue with Samsung, so no reason to change. Yeah. Yeah, I understand that. Alright, which one's the front panel? This one? Yeah. And the back panel, what do I do with the back panel? I'll leave it right. You're using a Xiaomi, but I never link sensitive accounts and never know what's inside of it. Yeah, that's true as well. Let's give it a final test. And yes, I am still loving my arm, just can't wait for the actual reducer to turn up. Right. 3, 2, 1. Get a blue light, good. Got picture. Andy, you should get a picture of your face behind that PS logo. Why? Yeah, it works. Wiggle test. Yep, not cutting out while it's shutting down. I would have an Apple phone if it could run Android. 100% most likely. What's kind of weird is there's only one Apple product, but Android, there's loads of different brands. I would have thought, I don't know, you know what I mean? Like, do iPhones have lower tier phones? Like, instead of it being like iPhone 10, iPhone 12, whatever the hell it is up to now, do they have different versions of like different iPhones? Not just the lineups. If that makes sense. Hopefully it does. Tracy's back. Babe, gonna watch while I walk. It's only 2.2 miles. Thought it was further. Okay, babes, no worries. Thank you. Right, now she's back. I'm ending the stream. I'm joking. Surprise! God, I need a new battery in my vape. Cool. That's another. I'm just gonna have to take this inside quick. Be Be right back. I might forget a new battery while I'm in there. Bloody dog. Right, I need to quickly message the customer saying it's done and reply to another one. And the other PS5 guy, that one message. Cool. I am coming back. Bugger off, babe. Yeah, I read it. Bugger off, cheeky milk. I am coming back. Clim. Clim is, he come back. What's Clim? Right, where's that board? Right, I want to test the... I need to change this title. Where is my... There it is. Turn it on. Title. This is a... I don't know what it is exactly. Jet motherboard. Motherboard. I can't spell board. B-O-A-R-D. That'll do. He's giving me the schematic for it, which is quite nice. So I can see if it is a... Although there's not really much to it, but he's giving me the full schematics. Mental. So, water on, water off. There's the speeds. So that's the LEDs. These are the speeds, I guess. Speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Water on is the middle one, but there isn't a button there. Oh, where's the switch for that then? Wait. Jeez! Where's the relays? Select a key switch. The thing is, I don't even know what the hell this is from. Circuit diagram showing the wiring between the engine, the radio receiver, and the push button. What's a push button box? Yeah, water jet control board from the start. Alright, so we've got 12 volt supply, battery positive, battery negative. Okay, so it's only positive and negative. He said he thinks it's something to do with the emergency stop. 1.5 blue fuse. Oh, so that's there, I take it. Is it F115A? Yeah, F115A. Okay, so the power goes in from this end. So this is power here. Is it? Twisted pair. Must be this one. Yeah, it says there 12 volt, 250. 12 amps, 250 volts. What? Anyway, the fuse is okay. I've checked all the fuses, they're all fine. And then that's the 1.5 amp fuse. And it goes into the button. Man, this is so confusing. It says relays. Where does it say relays? I can't see the relays. Am I blind? I am blind. Bottom. Oh yeah, there they are. Right, thank you. I didn't bother looking at the bottom of that. So they are relays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What the hell's the other 2 relays? Oh, there's one. Ah, 2 there. Okay, how do you test relays? They are definitely relays then. Warmer. Thanks Andy for the stream. And no worries worms. See you later bro. Feed them power. Yeah. What positive and negative. Just hear them click. I've never done it before. So, how many volts? So I'm going to start with 1 volt because I don't want it blowing up. I'll just go positive and negative through it. Well, it does nothing. Okay, 1 volt's not drawing anything. Does it got to be the other way around? I'm gonna have to Google it. How to test relays. Check the rail for coil voltage. Check relay for coil voltage. What do you mean by that? Check relay for coil voltage. As in, on the schematic. Doesn't really say the voltages anywhere. Doesn't say. No, there is oh, there is on here. Hang on, I might have to Google the actual relays themselves. Oh, there we would change. They're usually a freewheel diode fitted. There is a diode fitted, but microscope. Okay, so it's 12 volt DC. Okay, that's cool. But it says here 8 amps, 250 volts AC, and then it'll be open, or was that closed? So why is there two? 12 volt DC squiggle, 8 amps, 250 volts VAC. So does that need 250 volts to activate at 8 amps? How to test relays. "12 volts was a coil voltage," yeah, I thought so. And 250 volts is a contact rating. So that won't. Hold on. Come on. Bench power supply. Says here, understanding how a relay works. Look. Go away. Come on, try. And test the energized relay. Okay. You could use a 9 volt battery or the 12 volt power coming from your car. Guess I could use 12 volts still. Energize the coil pins. Okay. Energize the coil pins. Which one's the bloody coil pins? Damn it. So, back of the relays are here. This is the back of the relay. So all it goes to, just these 6. Hi everyone, hi Frozerinos. So which one would be the coil? How the hell would you tell? Will it be side by side? Or will it be one on negative and then energize one side? Coils are near a diode. Oh, okay, so the diode on here is down here. That's the only diodes on there. Okay, so the diode on here is down here though. That's the diode. That's far away. Is it on the same rail? No, not even on the same rail. Unless it's because those two is, I believe. Oh no, that is part of the thingy. Yeah. Oh, that is part of it as well then. That must be the coil. This is the coil then. Right. Because that's part of it, and then that's the coil. Inject voltage at the diode. Coil and diodes are parallel, not in series. Alright, cool. So I guess it's these two. If I flip that around, that's, I think, at the end there. So say there is there. Yeah, it must be it then. Right, let's put a bit of voltage in that. Let's do 1 volt to begin with, just to see. Well, it's not drawing anything. There is a data sheet with these. Inject voltage at the diode. There is a data sheet. Let's have a look at the data sheet. So I've never tested one of these before. So it's a RTD 14 0212 data sheet. Here we go. Agreed. Oh my god, load. 12 VDC voltage. So there's 12 volts. Coil magnetic system. What's the pin out? Let's have a look at the pin out. Ah, there's the pictures of it. Yeah. CAD files. Data sheet. Let's download the whole data sheet. PDF. Oh, it wants me to create an account. That's not fair. Make sure the polarity is correct. Okay, so that's just by looking at the diode itself. So that means on the left hand side is negative. Agreed? I don't want to do it just in case I'm wrong. The diode showed the polarity of the voltage injection. Yeah. So I think the left hand side is negative. If I spin it, flip it around. Just want to double check. I'll even use my multimeter just to confirm it. Yes. Alright, I'm just going to double check anyway. Just to be safe on this respect. Right. Diode mode. Oops. We're getting 0.1 read on that side. And we shouldn't get anything on this side. And we get the exact same. Bugger. So I guess this isn't like protection diode or something. Or this is a protection diode. I have no idea. That doesn't help me at all. But yeah, okay. Whoop. Right, negative on that side. I'm going to go up to 5 volts. Try 5 volts. Is it going to click? Oh yeah, it clicked. There you go, that one's working. That's good. Next one. That clicks. That clicked. Yeah, that's clicking. Yeah, that's clicking. Yeah, that's clicking. And that's clicking as well. So the relays are fine. That one sounds a bit iffy. That one's not. That one sounds like it's. That one sounds like it's returning. This one doesn't. And it sounds very jumpy. There's coil resistance, don't forget. That's why 5 volts should be fine. It's only pulling 12 milliamps. That sounds weird. Alright. I've got to quickly type out an invoice. I think maybe that relay's a bit faulty. Ooh. Yeah. I can hear that releasing. And that one. I don't know if you can you guys hear it or not. Can't 12-volt relays need 8-volt minimum to test. Alright, I'll go up to 8. Let's try this then. Oh yeah, that's working properly now. Yeah, they're fine. Really clicking now. Although still, yeah, alright. The relays are fine regardless. So that's everything I could test on it really. All the diodes are fine, there's no shorted diodes. Oh, there's still one relay there. I missed that relay. So negative on this relay is on the right side, which is a bit different. So why is that one backwards? Alright, well. Negatives on the right side on this one. Damn it, is it this one? Yeah. Yeah, and that's working fine too. Relay fault is usually burnt contacts. Clicking means nothing. Oh, really? Well, so there's no way of testing them then. Hold on, just got to write out this invoice. So while it's on, checking for voltage around the board, would that prove that it's working then? Continuity test while switching to make sure contacts are switching step. Right, thank you. 47907. 47907. Yes, it is Jayton, yeah, jet motherboard. No idea what it is. Water jet motherboard, water control something. Yes, there is. Use a meter to check continuity contacts, then add power to coils, see if it changed states. Right, amazing, thank you. I've learnt something. I've got to write this note. Cool. Let me change that actually to a little J. Mobile number is 07 269 248. No. 382. I'm joking, it's not really. Jacuzzi? Oh, it could be. It could be. It says from... No, it's from an engine, apparently. This keyboard's horrible. Okay. Reminds me of nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday commercial. Yeah, that's true. Right, that's all sent now. Good. Right, back to this. So, put it on that way around so I know which way to inject. Shut. What? You still alive? Why are you still awake? I thought it went to sleep. Continuity. Oh, I've got another message. God damn it. Okay, no, it was all good. Whoops. Continuity. Oh, this is going to be hard. That's going to be annoying. How the hell am I going to do this with one hand? Oh, maybe I'll have to turn that on. Nice meter. Yeah, thank you. It's quite nice. Can't remember how much I paid for it. I might have to solder some wires onto it. Oh, God damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to solder wires. You need at least 3 hands. Alright, I'll have to go buy some. Oh, you guys can't even see, sorry. Yeah. Around 139 for a new 17B Max. Really? This is already leaded solder. Beautiful solder already on there. Let me look for another one. Another thick piece of wire. I think I've got one on the board somewhere. Yeah, here it is. Cool. Get it off. Because I started off with a £20 multimeter, and that was the very first piece of equipment I ever bought. Because I wanted to understand like what capacitors were, resistors. That was my first step. And I've just bought one, and I was just trying to diagnose faults with a multimeter, just looking around for shorts. That's the very first thing. And then, when I obviously got better, I bought a little mini fluke, and it was £60. I think it was the 101, I think it was called. And then that was good. I don't even know why I bought this one. I think because it had the thermometer bit on it. Don't know why I upgraded, to be fair. That one was perfectly fine. I think I paid around $4.50 for my 179. Damn. Alright, okay, then let me... Negative. Change scene. Did you put the leads in correctly, though? What? Yes, I did, MK. It's not hard, you know. You've got a black and a red slot. Black goes into black, red goes into red. And energize it. Actually, let's go into continuity. Continuity. Alright, we'll click in. Nothing's changing. Let's try this one. Wait. Ah, there you go. I had it in the wrong order. Yep, that one's working. Okay. Oh, I am turned off by the power. make a mistake. Yeah, but you said you didn't do it though. You said it, your dad or whatever gave it to you. Right, I could hear it clicking. No beep. Yep, that's working fine. Let's kill the power. Change it across. I think all these are going to be fine. Me Poland, me no English word read. Oh, you the one that actually did it then. Chris F, hello. That's weird. Why did he come in and got deleted straight away? Is he saying slacker or something? Right. Yeah, that works fine. You're a slacker, you're a slacker, you're a slacker, you're a slacker, you're a slacker. Right. Yeah, this seems to be working fine. Yep. Me Ingaleski speak not good. God. Oh, I just managed to pull that off. That wasn't soldered very well. I think there's nothing wrong with this board. There's so many things that plug into the board. Yep, that's fine. Yep. That's good that I know this, because I've got another board that the relays need checking on it. So now I know how to do it. Andy Tesniznang Engleski. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, they seem good. Whoops. Cool. Because I've got another board which controls fans, and he's saying that one of the fans is always on but really slowly. Because I repaired the board, it blew a fuse, and I was looking around for shorts and there were no shorts on the board, but now he says that one of his fans from the generator, or so I don't know what it is up here. I've got four bloody motherboards now. What I need to look at, this one. I put a new glass fuse in it. It didn't have legs, so I had to solder my own legs to it. And now apparently, look, there's the relays. Apparently one of the fans always running. Alright babes, enjoy your coffee. Yeah, this one seems good too. It was actually a nice walk, but got here too early. Oops. No. Okay, well those relays are fine. Now there's one more to test. I think negative was on the right side this time, yeah. You spelled poop wrong. You put poop. Gonna poop in Sainsbury's. Oh, that's hilarious. If this doesn't beep, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine as well. Yep. Absolutely fine. There's nothing else to check on here. The only thing I can check now is the capacitor. That looks fine. I don't think it'll be that. I was going around checking all continuity across everywhere. So I can carry on that. I'll carry on there. I've got to this row here. So if I start off with the next pin, that goes to that. That's fine. This one connects to this pin. Nope. This one? No, this one. And also, that's it. Then, that's the no connect. This one goes to there and there and there. That's fine. Yep. And this one connects to there. Let's start off with these ones. Yeah, they're all fine. That one goes to there. Boring process, but I guess that's the only thing I can do. That one goes to that one. Yep, that's all it goes to. This one goes to this one. This one goes to that one. Yep. This one goes to this one. And this one. Yep. It's going to be fine. There's no point checking all the contacts. It's going to take forever. They all look fine underneath the microscope. Nothing wrong with this board. It's to do with something else on his end. Not really much to it. Better touch up those little points I've just soldered to. Actually, I accidentally ran my iron through this and it chopped it in half. I'm gutted. I've got 3 different ends. I don't know where it starts. My poor Kester. There's like fault's not on that board. No, I know. I looked at it and he said he thinks the joints look a bit funny, and I looked at it. I said it looks okay, but it might say something different under the scope. But I looked under the scope. Oh, I've already added solder to them, and it looks absolutely fine. Should have my fume extractor on for this. And then where's that other one? Down here. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to let him know that this board's fine. I need to check the relays on this one. Right, this one don't have diodes on it though, but it'll be the one furthest away. Furthest away. Oh no, this one's different. 12 volt DCs, 1 amp. Got 2 at the end there. And you've got the contacts, I believe, is here and there. So would it be that way? Again, I don't know which way around it goes. What was the actual issue? I missed that part before. What, with that board? Let's add some more work onto it. I didn't do that. What was the issue that he said? I can't remember. I think he said it's not spraying water or something. No, I don't understand it. It's too complicated for me to figure out. So what's wrong with this one is this one has a fan constantly spins. Very slow. So the fan connectors are... I actually don't know. I don't know where the fan connectors are on this one. But even these... Nope, I don't know. Hey, Symboltech. Why didn't I use schematics for what? That other board? Or this one? I don't have schematics. Well, it must be for the other board because I don't have one for this one. So if he's saying there's constant power going to it, that means one of these relays might be stuck. So maybe if I can just compare them. Where? I don't know. There? Okay. No, maybe not there. Oh, has it got that silicone-y stuff on it? It has. I'm going to have to prod pretty hard. Can't even get to it, man. It's got that stuff on it. The other one, yeah. There's hardly anything on there anyway. I can't even get continuity on it. It's got that clear shit on it. Oh, there we go. So that one works. That one's not beeping. That's not beeping. That's not beeping. Oh. These are the relays up here. The other ones were just other stuff. What? They're there. And probably these back ones. No. There and there. So these. So they should be closed right now. No. There. Is it just against these two? I don't understand how this one works. There. So it's literally these three here, but it's all connected to the same thing. It's not beeping like the other one did. I might be open until it gets voltage. I don't know how to check them then. There's no diode on that one. Oh, I've got nothing else to do. I've got nothing left. Until my other stuff arrives, I'm waiting for a hard drive. What else did I order? Oh. They are only closed when commanded. Damn it. That's what I need to test, because he says one of the fans, one of these ones, I think are fans. I'm going to have to try and risk putting voltage into it somewhere. Don't know how to test it. Alright, where's my multimeter? Check the contacts are welded shut. They're not. They're not shut. They're open because I'm not getting any beeps. So that's 0.7 or 714 ohms. This next relay. I can't seem to get contact on it. Yep, 700 ohms. Yep, 700. So obviously one's negative and one's positive, but I don't know which way around's which. Do you reckon the thicker wire would be positive end? The thicker trace? Grey, black, yellow are probably the switches. What do you mean? Grey, black and yellow are probably switches. Yeah, I know, Pab. But they got nowhere else to go. Nowhere else would check it. All I could do is check normal components. Like this came into me originally with just a blown fuse, and I figured that out. I replaced the fuse on it, and there was no other shorts. But now it's working. It's just one of the fans are constantly very slowly spinning. probably going to go and do some research on this, and then I'll just come back streaming. But yeah. Right, thanks everyone for watching. I can't stream anymore. I've got nothing else to stream. So I'm going to try and look up on this and try and get pinouts on it so I could inject voltage that way. But no worries. Thanks JFix. Thanks everyone who's been watching. I only want to stream the PS5 anyway, but well, I'm hoping Amazon would have delivered my other stuff, but they haven't. Thanks Sean Cosway. Thanks all the other lurkers as well who's watching. What day is it today? Monday. I don't know who else is streaming today. But yeah, I've got a TV coming shortly as well, so thanks for streaming, Andy. No worries. Thank you, Chris. I think everyone else is pretty quiet today. EDM, thanks for watching. Anthony as well. Pab, cheers buddy. Symbol Tech, hey buddy. What are you trying to fix? It's a jet motherboard. Water jet motherboard. Right, I'm going now. Bye Chris. Bye everyone. Rusty Russ, thank you. I'm going in 3, 2, 1. Goodbye.